Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to find the middle of an artboard. So before we start the lesson, please subscribe my channel for more lessons, more illustrator lessons. Uh, so finding the middle of an artboard is something very easy. So I'm going to take an artboard. I'm going to file new. So I select this size, letter size. So I'm going to select orientation as landscape for my artboard. So just click the create button. So this is artboard that we have opened. You see it is difficult to see the middle of this artboard. So the easiest way is uh, you just select this rectangle grid tool. So double click that uh, on that tool. So put these numbers, number one as horizontal dividers. So we also put one as the vertical divider. So with these settings, you click OK here. Now you just draw the grid uh, from top left. See, everything is okay. Uh, Here I have to adjust a little bit. So it is, I think this is perfect. So this is the of middle or center of this artboard. After you drawing this, you can remove this stroke. Also, you just select this rectangular grid and this go to view and select guides, make guides. Okay, now you have an artboard with two parts. You can start your own creation with finding this middle. Okay, now you have this artboard with two separate parts. Now you can start your illustration for this artboard. So this is the easiest way to find the middle of an artboard using this rectangular grid tool. So again, I say please subscribe my channel for more videos, more illustrated tutorials in future. So have a nice day. Goodbye.